Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel again. In today's video I am going to show you how to edit your video. Now remember that on this series I am talking about how you can grow your YouTube channels, that is starting your YouTube channel. This is the sixth video I am creating on that playlist. Now do make sure that you watch the videos from the beginning till the end. Now I am going to be very brief and go straight to the point. Now I've said it before, if you've watched previous of my videos, that I normally edit my videos that I post on my channels using CapCut. That is because CapCut is very easy. Now you are going to go to your Play Store or your Apple Store depending on the kind of phone you are using. So I'll go to my Play Store and then I am going to type CapCut. Now this is the app you are going to be using. You can see this first app here. That is the app you are going to be using. So because I already have installed this app, that's why you see that it's not showing me to install. See from here, so I click on CapCut. Now you can see the app here. Now I already installed it, so all I need to do is to open this CapCut. Now so guys, as you are watching this video, please just make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the notification bell so that you get notified each time I create new videos, because on this channel I talk about social media hack growth, I also talk about mini importation, and you can easily join my importation group by checking the video description where you will see the group link, and then join my WhatsApp group where I drop hack about importation, what you can import and so forth, anything importation. And I also talk about WordPress development, how you can create your website or your blog, which helps you to showcase what you are doing. So on today's video, just like I have said, I'm going to show you how I edit my videos. Because you are creating a YouTube channel, you should know how to edit a video. You can't just create a video and upload it on your YouTube channel without editing it. It's very important. I know you may be starting a YouTube channel, just like I have said, from the first video to the fifth video, how to do that. If you've not watched that, please do make sure you go back and watch those videos. So all you need to do is to click on this new video here, and then you're going to choose the video you are going to make use of. But let's say it's photos you want to join together, so you can come to this side and click on photos. But since it's video I want to edit, I'll just click on any of the video. So let's say I want to edit this video, so I click on it, and hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel again. In today's video, so all I just need to do now is to click on add, and this video will be added for me to start editing. Now you can see from the beginning of this video, if I decide to upload this video on YouTube, people get to know how I sit on the chair, how I wasn't seated and so forth. So all I need to do is to edit that part, right? So all I need to do is come to this, click edit here where you see the scissors pencil here, and click on it, and then I am going to play the video, and then I'm going to pause. We'll move it back a little. No, yes, I'm going to move it back a little. So I'm going to stop here, and then I'll click on split. When I click on split, and then I'll click on the first place, and then I'll hover onto this place which is called delete, and I delete it. Now you can see that place has been deleted. That is how you delete unwanted part of your video. So do not forget. Now let's play. Now this is the beginning of the video. You can notice that from the other one I put on the Canva, that is the interface, it didn't start from this place, but I have removed it. So let's play it again. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about why most YouTubers quit. Now you can actually notice that from here, because I have a laptop where I was reading from and a written note where I was looking at. Now let's say I don't want people to know that I was actually reading from a book. So let's say I start the video. So you can notice that from here I was looking at something, so I want to cover this place, but I don't just want to delete it because the information here is very important. So what I need to do is to put another video where maybe something else, like a stock video where other things will be playing and so forth, or maybe telling you to subscribe and so forth. And then I'll come over to overlay. You can see overlay here. I'll come over to overlay, click on add overlay. Now, because I have some stocks video here on my phone, so I'm going to choose anyone here to go with. So let's say I want to go with this. So I'm going to add it. Now, all I need to do is to stretch and make sure it covers the interface. And so let's say now I'm playing this video. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking. Now you can see that this one we added as an overlay is covering me, but my voice is being heard. So that simply means I can stretch this video. Let's see. So you can see that from here it has been stretched, and I'm actually reading now. You don't know I'm reading. What most YouTubers with how to avoid it. Now, very simple. If you're new to this channel, please make sure you subscribe. Now, because I talked about subscribing to my YouTube channel and hitting the notification bell. Now, let's say I want to add an overlay where I am going to be talking about showing a picture of someone subscribing to a YouTube channel and hitting the notification bell. So all I need to do is come over to add overlay again. Now I'm going to add this overlay on top of the overlay I have added on my video. So I'm going to look for a subscribe stock video. I think I have one here. So just be patient and let me look for it. Well, seems I've deleted it. Okay, I have one here. So I'm going to stretch it again until it covers my video. So from here you can see, say subscribe for more videos. Now without further ado, let's go back to today's video. Now remember that. Now this is all about adding an overlay. You can actually do this over adding of the stock videos from the beginning to the end. That means you can start from here adding many stock videos. And if you do not know where to get this stocks video, please just go to your browser. Let me open my Chrome and then I want to make it practical so that you get to know. So type on Pixabay. See Pixabay, and then click on the first one, and then you come to this place. So make sure that it is on video here. You can see, not on illustration, not on illustrations. Here, click on videos. Let it be on videos, and then you can just put subscribe video. Just type whatever you want. You see, I've been typing here, man praying together, men praying and together, women and so forth. Let's say I want to subscribe. Let's say subscribers. Now you can see here. So you can click on anyone you want, and then come over to download. And then choose the size, the kilobyte you want to download, or the MB. Now let's say I want to download this one, which is 480 kilobyte. Now you can see that my video has been downloaded. So if I hover back to my Canva, now I'm back to my CapCut, and let's say I do not want this place to play. So I click on it. So if I want to delete this, I click on it and then click delete. So you can see that that one has been deleted. So let's say I want to add a new overlay. So I want to add the video I have downloaded, so you can see it here, and then I click add, and then I make sure I click it, I stretch it till it covers the interface of my video, and then I click on play. Now this is it, and let's say I want to increase the voice of my video. So all I need to do is click on the video, make sure that you click on the video and come to volume, and then you stretch the video to 100%, and then you click on this good now you can see that the volume actually increased. So let's say you film your video and your audio was not loud, your volume was not loud, so you can actually do this, increase the volume on your CapCut. Now let's say we want to change the background. All you need to do is hover onto this place here, make sure you go back and come to background, and then you can blow your background, or you can do a brand new background, or you can use color for your background. Let's say I want to use color for my background. Let's say I want to use black. Now I've already set this video background to black, but you will not see it because this picture is covering it. But let's say I'm using my finger to reduce it. Now you can actually see here that the background is black, so I want to stretch it, don't want it to show black. So this is how you can edit and change your background. Let's say there are other things you need to do. Let's say you want to do auto caption, where what you are saying is going to be writing on your video. Let's say for instance this that I did. Let's look at some of my project here that I have done. So I'm going to click on back. So let's say for these short videos here I created, let me go to project, let me see, okay, let me see this. When you want to start, let's say for instance I want to use this video today because it's short, the other video is longer, so it will take longer period of time. So let's say I want to add text to this video. So all I need to do is come over here, add text. I can add text and maybe just say I want to write my name so that it will show that I am the owner of the video. So I can do that for my Facebook and TikTok videos, where now I've written my name here, and let's say I want to change the background. So I hover onto background, so I go to background and say I want to use image. I can decide to use any of the image here, but let's say I want to add my own personal image on the background. So I click on this plus button and then come over here. Make sure that you want to choose any of your picture or any picture you have designed. Let's see, I love using these pictures on my YouTube videos. This one here. So, and I click on it. So this picture has been uploaded at the back of my background, but you will not see it. Why? Because it seems, yeah, it's covering, this video is covering it. So all I need to do is to use my hand to reduce the size, so I can move it up here. So when I'm talking, so you can actually see how you can do this. So let's say I want to do auto caption, that is whatever I'm saying, people get to read it. So I come to text and I come to this one here that says auto caption, and then I can decide to choose the type of auto caption I want. If I want a default template, I just click on default template, or if I want to choose a particular kind of template, I can just choose on it and then click on generate. Although it may take time for it to generate if your video is longer than this, that's why I decided to use a very short video so that it won't take time. So if you're doing auto generation, so auto caption, so you need to be patient and wait for it to finish. Now it's on 99, so it needs to reach 100 and then you begin to see your auto caption. Now we are through with the auto caption. You can see now that it's showing, but you can further design this right up so that it won't just be white and so forth. So let's say I want to change it. I can come to style. You click on style here. When you click on style, you can use any one. So let's say I want to go with this. That is the template. I want to use this template. So you can see. So as I want to use a font, a different font from this, so you wait for it to start loading and then you click. So you can see that the font have changed. If I want to go to style, I can choose a different style. I can enlarge the size here or reduce it here. The opacity, I can reduce the opacity or I can increase the opacity. So let's say I want to increase the size, and then I can go over to this place here and choose whichever one I want. Let's say I want this, you see, or I want this. You see that it's decided to change. I can go to effect and choose whatever effect I want the video to have, and I can go on animations, bubbles, and so forth. And then you can decide to play your video, and then you see when you want to grow. So you can see, and then when you are through, you click on export, and these are basic things you can do on CapCut. And when you through exporting, I'm going to show you another app that is very important. So after you finish exporting, because of the last size of your video, you click on your Google Store and download this app called Panda. So you see this app here called Panda. So I use it to reduce my video size. It's very important so that you don't upload videos that, so you can see some of the videos that I've compressed. You can see my videos here, and then you can see that it is, this video is 14 MB, this is 68 MB. Let's say I want to reduce this size. I click on it and click on this next here. So you can click on small file or medium file, depending, anyone is okay. So let's say I want a medium file. I click on next and then click on next. Okay, now you wait for it to finish compressing. So you see, now you can see that it has finished compressing the video from 64 MB. Now I have 11 MB. So the video is just 11 MB. There are some that will be 3 MB, 4 MB. No matter how large your video is, I have pressed a video which is 1 gig and it ended up being just 100 MB. Yes, as simple as that. So I can easily upload it on my channels that I want to upload. So if you want to rename this video, you click on this pencil icon and type whatever you want to type. So let's see, I want to type trial. So I just click OK. The video has been renamed, and then make sure you click on save and then say OK. Guys, you can choose any folder while in the video, so you can easily do this and upload it on your YouTube channel. All about it, you can see that this video, I have renamed it. I've been able to press the video. I show you 1, 2 tricks about CapCut. There are many more things you can do with CapCut, but I don't want the video to be unnecessarily long. So guys, if you got value from this video, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the notification bell so that you get notified each time I create new video.